How to check if your system supports Marvel Rivals or not. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how you can check if your system supports the game Marvel Rivals or not. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So if you're trying to figure out if your system supports the Marvel Rivals or not, just follow these simple steps. The first thing you need to check is your GPU requirement, if your PC meets the GPU requirement or not. To check that, you first need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, which will open up your Run dialog box. And here you are going to type in this command, DirectX, and then press Enter or just click on this OK. Now it will open up a different window and you'll see your DirectX diagnostic tools. And on the top of your screen, you'll see different tabs like System, Display, Sound, and Input. You are just going to head over to the Display tab, and under your DirectX features, you'll find the DirectX 12 Ultimate. If this is disabled or this option is not showing on you, then that means your PC unfortunately does not support the Marvel Rivals game. But if this is enabled and it's showing on your screen, then that means you are eligible to run the Marvel Rivals on your PC. Even if you have this available but you're still not able to play the game, then you might want to try to run your game on DirectX 11. To do that, you first need to open up your game launcher and then right click on your game. Then you'll have to head over to Properties or Settings, and then you have to locate the field for Launch Options or Settings. Then on that, you will have to enter DX11 and save your changes. After doing that, you can relaunch the game and then it should run normally. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.